everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just have a quick video for you guys. I got a few products from Pistachio Hair and Body Wonders that I haven't tried yet, and I wanted to share that with you. So first off, we have the Scalp Beverage. What I love about this is it's not an oil-based scalp treatment. It's got hydrosol in it, different types of hydrosols, and it doesn't leave my scalp oily or itchy right after. It helps soothe the scalp immediately upon application. I love this stuff so far. I've got 2 of those. Next we have the Treasure Your Yoni oil. It's to help prevent ingrown hairs, and it's got grapeseed oil, jojoba, peppermint, tea tree, lavender, and candula petals. As you can see, there's petals in there. I've been using this for a little bit and I really like it. It definitely helps keep those ingrown hairs at bay, and it definitely helps to lighten that area as well. So give it a try. And it has a nice cooling sensation when you apply it too. Make sure you give it a shake. And it's like a pretty golden color too. Next we have the Rosemary Mint shampoo. It has I bet you it smells just like that. It smells super good, very, very minty. Can't wait to try that. Yeah. Next, we have the Emergency Treatment Repair System. This is something that you apply to your hair before you shampoo, and it's supposed to help repair any damage that you might have, whether it be heat, color, styling, just over manipulation, and all of that. But I've heard amazing things about this stuff, and I can't wait to try it. Next, we have this deep conditioner, the Trattamento di Sancocho. I've tried this before and I absolutely love it, so much so that I bought 3 more jars. And it's just an amazing treatment to get your hair silky, repairs any damage, and it just leaves your hair super moisturized and ultimately defined. Let me know if you guys want a review on any of these products. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.